These are my crispy bang bang salmon bites. Easy, high protein and delicious. Episode 3 of Easy Weeknight Dinners. So to begin, I'm just pickling some cucumbers. This is totally optional, but they do serve as a nice side for this dish. Get those salmon bites seasoned all over and then coated in breadcrumbs. Transfer to a lined bake with cooking spray and bake. They come out the oven perfect, super crispy and actually quite garlicky. And this is the bang bang sauce. It's simple, it's easy, creamy, sweet and spicy and Moorish once you drizzle it all over those delicious salmon bites. Garnish with some spring onion. Don't forget the cucumbers, and that is it. An easy weeknight dinner.
Slightly spicy.
This dish packs so much flavour, it's fuss-free, it's one pan, and episode 5 of Easy Weeknight Dinner. Pat dry your chicken thighs, season generously with salt and pepper, and then add your corn flour. We only need to use 1 tablespoon. I like to fry the chicken thighs in the oil from the sun-dried tomato jar. Once you've got a lovely amount of crisp and colour on the chicken thighs, remove from pan. Then saute your shallot, your garlic, add in your sun-dried tomatoes, your seasoning, your herbs, tomato paste, cream and chicken stock. Bring it all to a simmer, add the chicken thighs back to the pan and coat them in that delicious creamy sauce.
And we're just going to let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. It's going to be groovy, baby.
And there you go, ready in 30 minutes, maybe even quicker. Unreal flavours, healthy, high protein and an easy weeknight dinner. Save this recipe for later. If you're going to have chicken and rice for dinner, then this is the way it needs to be done. This recipe is so simple, but so tasty and also healthy. Firstly, coat your chicken breast in some flour, eggs, and then all over in some golden cornflakes, which is a method we absolutely love with a good bite, and you've probably seen us do it before. Bake that in the oven and then make your garlic honey sauce. Once the chicken's ready, heat your sauce in a pan, and then we're going to toss that chicken breast in the sauce, coat it all over, slice it up, and then serve it with some sticky jasmine rice and some asparagus. And that is it. I can't think of a tastier way to eat chicken and rice.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something